One of our entry-level canvas alarm systems on this 2017 Transit Connect. If someone applies a force to the side or rear doors, system goes off, fires the horn, hazards and siren. Arm and disarm using the factory remote. So all you've got to do, remember to lock the van. The system becomes active. After a minute, the sensors in the rear are active. So if someone applies a force to either this side door or this rear door, the system's going to go off. We have a status LED inside the van. So from the outside, people know exactly what's going on. See, there's something aftermarket fitted, so hopefully they won't even attempt the vehicle. But if they do, as you've heard, it's a very loud system. Fires the horn, hazards, if someone applies a force to any of the doors. Also, if they smash the window, try and open the door, the system's going to activate. And you'll pull the trigger. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 028 212 7393. This is one of our entry-level alarm systems on a 2017 Ford Transit Connect. Thanks for watching.